Hello, hi, how are you doing? Hi from Migori. So I'm currently in Migori and I would like to show you my room. So let me show you how it looks. Enjoy the video. I'll talk to you again soon. The place is called Bedside, I think. Normally you pay around 1,500 per night, but we got a discount, so we're paying 1,300 per night. Yeah, so let me show you how the room looks in a few. Bye. Enjoy the video. So this is outside. So this is the room I'm staying in. $27, just like my birthday, which is on 27th July. So that's the door. And then we have the sink. Yeah, so that's the washroom. And then this is where we have the shower. So that's the shower. And then on this side, this is how it looks. That's my luggage. I think they've not yet completely completed making this place. So that's how it looks there. So they gave me complimentary coffee. There it is. And then this is my luggage, just the way it came from Nairobi with it. So this is outside. I don't know if there's no bulb. Probably I'll show you the balcony tomorrow during the day. Yeah, so that's the other door. And then this is my bed. I was seated here, so don't worry when you see it looking kind of raggedy. Yeah, so that's my bed. So I'll show you the way the balcony looks tomorrow. So that's it for now. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye. Hello, hi, how are you? So as promised, I said I'm going to be showing you my balcony today. So let me show you how it looks like. Enjoy. Yeah, and this is how it looks. And then we have the hills over there. So good looking. The towel today looks different. I love that. So that's it for this video. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.